Hey, hello, what's up, YouTube? I'm back here with another video. Today, we'll see how to download Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 for free. Guys, I've already uploaded a video for Adobe Premiere Pro, but that's 2018, I guess. But this is a new version which will work only on the updated new Windows 10. So, guys, let's get into the video and we'll see how to download it for free. Guys, I've given the link in the description. Go ahead and click the link, and you will end up over here. Guys, go ahead and click download and make sure your file gets downloaded, and I'm pausing it over here because I already have the file in my computer. So wait for the file to get downloaded. So guys, once you have downloaded the file, you have it as a zip file. Go ahead and unzip the file. So let's just wait till the file gets unzipped. So guys, if you see here, the file has got unzipped. So go ahead and open the folder, and you get this last file as setup. Go ahead and click the setup. So double click the setup, and you will have an installer which is opening. So give setup.exe. So guys, the installation is happening. So go and click continue over here, and the installation has started. So guys, by the meantime, let me say something. If you guys have anything specific to tell me, you can put it in comment so that I'll do some specific video on that specific topics. So guys, let's just wait till the file to download fully. Guys, as you all can see here, the installation is complete. So go ahead and close the window, give close. And guys, make sure you don't open Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, once you give the window button over here, you have Adobe Premiere Pro. Right click on it, go to more, and open file location. So it will lead you to over here, local disk C and programs. So again, go click, right click, and file location. Guys, you will end up over here, and you have this Adobe Premiere Pro application file. Right click in it, create a shortcut over here. So guys, it will tell a prompt like Windows cannot create a shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed in desktop? Give S. If you all can see, the shortcut has been created over here. So go ahead and click. It will open the Adobe Premiere Pro, and the Adobe Premiere Pro is on and it's working. So let's just wait for the file to open. First time it will take some time to get load, but it will work smoothly. So guys, as you all can see, Adobe Premiere Pro is open over here and it's up and working. So let me just go here and open a new sequence. So guys, as you all can see here, the new project is here and Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 is working. So guys, let me just get back to you in another video. Till then, bye. Thank you.
Go.